Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add Google Maps to your Android Studio project, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this Stack Overflow tutorial, or not tutorial, but rather a post, and the answers on this post simply to make this tutorial simpler to understand and to make my own life easier, so I hope you guys understand. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, this person, as you can see, is asking how to add Google Maps to an existing Android Studio project, and the way that you do this is you can just go into File, New, Google, and then Google Map Activity, and then you should be set. There is this whole instruction part here, which I will go over, but first I would like to mention that you should have Google Play services or your Google Maps services added as part of your SDK on your project, and then you can set up a mapping ID. I have a tutorial for that on this channel, so you can check it out. But yeah, once you have your API and you connect your API to your project, you can then do this. Now, in your app build Gradle file, you can add the following import, which is the implementation for the Google Maps. Then under res values, you need to create a new file called Google Maps API.xml, and then you need to enter this code right over here. And once you've added that code, you need to replace your key with the API key which you have created previously. Then you need to add this code to Android manifest.xml within the application tag, so just add this metadata right over here, and then you can add the Google Maps fragment with this code right here wherever you would like, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Those are some of the methods that you can use. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.